This is a new episode on how to get into an excavator when you're paralyzed.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's how we load into an excavator.
Yeah.
Yeah!
All right, going out is what?
You must watch your feet because they're tricky. They like to play games.
Yeah, your feet like to play games on you. It's kind of messed up. They're not very nice. They're spasming right now. They're like, Daddy, we just got in here. Where did we go? I'm like, sorry, honey. Mama's got dinner made. I want to go eat.
Nice. This is where your feet usually get you.
Go down a little more, not all the way, and then move your leg. You gotta scoot up more.
Okay. I'm not really afraid to drop. That's the only thing. They want to keep going to there. See, my spasms like to kick my legs in, so I always got to watch that they don't kick out and then go into the tracks and then the track system. That's okay. That's not bad because I can just take my legs and flip them. And that's how we get out of an excavator.